Dr. Kyle Peacock, and I'm the doctor here at Peacock Family Chiropractic. And this is my office manager and wife, Kelsey Peacock. And today we would like to show you our space here.
Our mission is to be a place of hope and health for our community. We serve all ages here as a family chiropractic office, serving the Fishers and surrounding communities.
And our mission really here is to get to the cause of the problem. We don't merely want to just treat symptoms and get them to go away or hide them. We want to fix the underlying issues.
So as a family chiropractic office, we serve everyone. We have little newborn babies who come in and get adjusted for wellness, as well as patients into their 80s and 90s. So whether you're an athlete, whether you initially come for headaches, migraines, or back pain, or just get connected for wellness, we can help you. You're going to see that we have patients from all over. A lot of our patients are referred directly into our office, and then we also meet a lot of our patients in the community when we go to businesses or churches and talk about health. So you're going to see right behind us here, we have an area where patients are able to warm up before they get adjusted.
So once a patient is warmed up, we're really focused on delivering the most specific adjustment possible. So when our patients come in, they type in their information, and that way it pulls up all the exam information and x-rays if they have them, so I can review those as I'm treating the patient and delivering the best adjustment possible. After an adjustment, we firmly believe that we want our patients to lock that adjustment in. So we utilize vibration plates, exercises, body weighting, isometrics to help train those muscles to help lock in that adjustment, so that way they don't unravel the moment they leave our office. My favorite part of watching our patients experience their care here is that they get to see, sometimes for the first time in their life, the cause of their problems. And then not only see it, but also put a plan together to correct that problem. But the real exciting part for me is that I'm not healing anyone, I'm removing the interference, and my patients are the ones who are taking their health in their own hands and actively changing it. And so seeing patients put that plan into practice and create a lifelong strategy to eliminate those problems is one of the most fulfilling things I get to watch in my office every single week.
Our goal when a patient connects to our office is to help them get to the cause of their health concern. So we start with that exam to help us be able to do so. That includes your time with the doctor, as well as range of motion, posture analysis, a scan of muscles around your spine, and if needed, some x-rays.
So I start every single patient in this exam room, and that's because we love getting to the cause of the problem first, before beginning any treatment. And that's where at the start, we really focus on the nervous system, and I believe firmly that our patients deserve to be educated about why patients get better here. And that's because this is where we focus not just on the spine and the structure, but also on the nervous system and what's happening there. And so this is where we firmly believe that the body is auto self-healing, self-regulating. It needs no help, just no interference. And my goal as a chiropractor is to remove that interference so that my patient can heal and function at a higher level. And this is where we start that process. And almost every patient, I do a muscle scan first, because that tells me exactly where areas in their spine are showing areas of muscle imbalance.
We are one of a handful of offices that are trained in spinal correction. So when we take x-rays, we are measuring those objectively, and we utilize those to help you get consistent results. So with that, not only are we going to help you in knowing how to correct your problem, but helping you in knowing how to stay healthy, both now and for the rest of your life.